All right. It's Jared here from Crypto Plan. Just a quick little update on Harmony One's price action overnight, if you're in my time zone or in the last 24 hours anyway. But yeah, before we get into price action, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, because we are the Harmony One realists around here. So, quickly, just to recap, I've been very transparent about, I guess, the expectation of the Harmony One correction, that it can take some time. We are now kind of in early July. I was always looking at mid to late July before we kind of made the move out of this correction, so kind of like angle in, angle out kind of thing. But it is good today to see, and excuse my raspy voice, that there's some price action on the One Harmony chart. And it's not just that it's a 10% move in this daily candle anyway. It's the fact that it's done 21% for the week, and it's now nudged its way well and truly above the 30-week moving average. And that's a moving average that I'm looking at very closely, because it's kind of a buy signal for the market. So this is a good thing. This is a good thing. So still 4 days to go until that candle has to close above it, and then that's confirmation that we're above the 30-week moving average, and that definitely draws in a lot more buyers, I believe, because if people are playing by the similar strategy of 200-day moving average or 30-week moving average, which are very similar, and I'll show you that in a second. That's a bullish signal, and sometimes it's that confirmation signal or indicator where trading algorithms or traders might like to enter and then put stop losses at, if you know what I mean. So yeah, good price action today, which is great. And let's have a look at the daily chart now. So we're on the weekly chart with our 30-week moving average. So I'm going to go to the daily. You can see that how significant this level is. Since the 22nd of June, or if the 21st of June, we were above it for a short period of time. So, but we'd been falling towards that 30-week moving average consistently since the peaks in March, and then we dropped below it. And then how many days has it been? It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 days. 15 days since we've been able to pop our head above that 30-week moving average. So that's quite significant. I guess on daily volume, you've got above average daily volume yesterday, but if you go back to the weekly volume, there's nothing really to write home about. We're going to have to wait till the end of the week and see how that all plays out. So daily volume's good. I definitely want to see this daily candle close. So, this is an 18-hour candle, and I guess if we go to the other chart here, that's only got 10 hours to go on it. So hopefully that one closes, and you can see that the picture there is slightly different, that the 30-week moving average there is kicking up and it's on. So the Wobie chart is a little bit more bullish than the Binance chart there. So that's good to always look around at other charts and see what's going on. But yeah, so on this daily chart, we've got the solid price action above the 30-week moving average. And I'm just going to chuck on the 50-day and the 200-day moving average as well. So you can see there that the yellow line's the 200-day moving average. And like I say, it's very similar. The 200-day and the 30-week moving average are very similar. They kind of follow a general trajectory, because 30 times 7 is 210. So that is the story there. So it's not far off, and especially when crypto trades 7 days a week, they're a very similar indicator to use. So if you're using the daily indicators of the 50, 200 setup, then you can kind of have a look here that, once again, it's quite an interesting price level that it's at the moment. So it's broken through its 30-week or 200-day moving average, and it's at a confluence point now. So it's just tapped off the 50-day moving average. So that's another kind of a trader's signal, trade things above their 50-week moving average, which are above their 200-day moving averages. So we can kind of maybe look at that as the next step up, is to to get that price above the 50-day moving average. We can look over on this chart and see the same thing, that broken above those longer term, slower indicators, and now we've got the fast indicator to breach, which is the next step. So it's kind of a watch and see. Like I say, for me at the moment with Harmony, fully accumulated, happy as Larry. Some people are asking me in the videos, is it still bullish? Is it still accumulator? Sure, these prices down here, 4 cents and 5 cents were great points to accumulate and buy the dip. I believe I've done some buying down there, but not really a massive buyer in the market. I really am just waiting for this all to play out and sell at the very end of the bull run. So the correction is still real. Definitely we can see that if this 50-day moving average becomes a bit of resistance, that will pull back. And you can also see there's kind of a confluence point here as well, that's kind of has some relevance in the sense that there's a couple of wicks there and there's the wicks down there. So looking at heading our way towards 9 cents and beyond to really show that we're bullish and we are moving onwards and upwards. So One Harmony showing some real strength in the price action. Moving averages are getting broken and one by one, and price levels are being reclaimed. So watch this space, keep an eye on the charts, and if you are kind of hodling as well as trading Harmony One, I guess this 9 cent level is one to look out for. Maybe a move through that 9 cent level could trigger something, but also keeping an eye on our volume down there and seeing if the buyers are coming in. Because we can see over there once again on the Wobie chart that there's that stepping action that I like to see. So we could see in the next few days some nice price action unfold in One Harmony, which would be good to see, because we've been in the corner beaten up with the Vaseline on our lips for a while, haven't we? So that is that. So all right, like the video if you like this price updates and the chart action, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.